Let us understand the traditional IT system before we understand what cloud computing is. Traditional computing is an IT environment that uses physical data centers for storing digital assets and running network system for daily operations. Here, activities such as hosting data, services, or operating and controlling applications all are managed in physical data centers by an organization or individual. Now, for example, if I start a company, then I need to buy servers, routers, switch, internet gateway, firewall, AC. So, all this is my capex, which is the capital expenditure, all the equipment related stuff. And also, I need to look after OPEX, operational expenditures such as software, salaries of my staff, all the non equipped investment. CapEx. Capital expenditures are purchases of goods or services that will be used to improve a company's performance in the future. Capital expenditures are like property and equipment. OPEX. Operating expenses are the cost a company incurs for running its function day to day. Examples are wages and salaries, property taxes, software administrative expense. So, in traditional way of computing, we require both the capex and opex. So, the drawbacks here are very evident.